Well, I love that. Thank you so much, Warren. Let's shift for our final question. Let's shift to brokers. How do you guys support us brokers? Because I have my own agency, JetLife Aero, and I'm not a mechanic, but it'd be nice to have someone I could just call up and ask some technical questions too. Is there anything that Crew Chiefs does that assists brokers?
We do. Well, first is brokers is I don't know percentage wise. It's over 50% for certain of our client base, right? So we are talking to brokers on a daily basis. To get to your point, we do have a TechNet Gold because maybe some larger brokerages might have two or three technical folks, former DOMs on their payroll, and they can support the brokers that are worldwide with questions specifically to technical aspects of the aircraft. But a large majority of broker and or brokerages do not have that. So we set up TechNet Gold, and what that allows is someone like yourself, Tom, to call us up and say, hey, I think this is what I'm trying to do, and listen, I am not a maintenance engineer either, right? I know a lot, but I know enough to be dangerous as well, right? So, but you might call me up and say, I think this is what I want to do. I think this is what my client wants to do, but I have a question on, a 337 that we know about. I have a question, you name it, right? What do you think?
Well, what is a 337?
Oh, exactly. It's a major alteration, or it's usually attributed when people use that term because it can mean a lot of things to damage. That could be hangar damage. It could be, what people refer to as hangar rash. It could be a hard landing. But point is, you could, you call us and say, what do you think? Will this change the scope of what we should look at in a pre-buy? Should we just change the way we scope the overall contract itself, right? I might not have the answer. Even our CTO, who is 40 plus years in the industry, might have the answer. But we have over 30 crew chiefs. I guarantee we have the answer, regardless whether it's a Falcon, Gulfstream, Bombardier, Textron, you name it. We have the folks that, within 24 hours, we're going to give you the most educated answer. So it's a TechNet Gold program, available for any broker to sign up. They can cancel it. It's a monthly subscription. They can cancel anytime they want, but it basically gives them a hotline. It gives them their own tech ops team that you might see in larger brokerages, organizations.
Gotcha. And do you want to speak into costs?
Yeah, absolutely. The cost is $5.99 a month. Again, it's you pay monthly. So if you use us for a couple months, maybe let's say this, usually the end of the year is when the industry gets most frenzied with transactions, right? So maybe it might be, hey, you know what? I know I'm going into from August to December, I'm going to be overwhelmed. I just need, a team of experts on my side, right? You pay us. And oh, by the way, and I don't want to get into more costs, but when you do sign up, you also get different incentives if you do use us on site, right? So if you're using our TechNet Gold and then you want us on site to represent you, you're going to get discounts on that. So, it's a way for us. Yes, it makes us money, right? We're all in business, but it also, allows us to provide support for the industry that we think is well needed.